This is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to re-season your carbon steel pan or wok. So if it turns out good after the first step, we're done. If it takes 2 steps, I'm going to show you that as well. So let's get started. So yesterday we cooked the hamburgers, the Japanese hamburgers. That's oil coming from the ragu beef. Ragu beef is very fat, so lots of oil for you to season the frying pan. So it's been a bit of a carbon buildup for a long time, so I'm going to show you what to do. So I turn the heat on to around medium. I'm going to put maybe about 5 or 6 tablespoons of cooking oil. So I just use peanut oil. That's what I usually use. So you just start to see the smoke in the carbon steel pan. So this works the same way for a carbon steel wok. So next step, I'm just going to shut off the heat. So next I just shut off the heat. I'll put some table salt. So I use the cheapest salt for this. For cooking I use Himalayan pink salt, but for this process I'm going to use just plain white salt. It's better to use the coarse salt if you have some. Coarse salt's easier to use for scraping the pan. So next step, I'm just going to use some paper towels. So you can use the used ones, and just use a pair of tongs so you can sand down the buildup, the carbon buildup. So usually this is all you need, but if it doesn't turn out, sometimes when you have a big carbon buildup, just one more step after this. You can add a little more oil if you like, because the salt has actually soaked up all the oil. At this time the pan is, so add a little more oil if you like. At this time the pan is cooled off, so I can use my hand if I want. So you see the buildup right now. I couldn't get rid of this buildup here. So normally you can, just by using the salt, you can scrub off the buildup, but there's lots of buildup like here. You can buy one of these brushes on Amazon. Just check my Chinese cooking guide just below this video. So here, I'm just going to use this wok brush to see if I can clean up the carbon on the surface. Done this for about a couple minutes now. So we'll just see what it looks like. So, not bad. So I got rid of the carbon buildup. So you can just kind of reheat your pan. Put about a tablespoon of cooking oil and just to rub it on the surface. This will prevent the pan or the wok from rusting. So a lot of times if you don't use the wok for a few days, it starts to rust. But this way, if you don't use it for a few days, it's still going to be okay. But I'm going to just do another step just to show you if you're not happy with this. So sometimes it hasn't been stripped down for, I can't remember how long. So this is the carbon buildup. So what we do now, you want to put something with high acid in it. So when I make sweet and sour sauce, I can strip down the pan or the wok. But here I'm going to use some sliced stewed tomatoes. So this has high acid content. So you don't need to turn this too on. I had to preheat the pan at medium heat. So we're just going to cook it at slightly less than medium heat. So you want to increase the acidity to strip the pan or the wok. I'm just going to add some vinegar. So this is just plain white vinegar. So just pour some in. I'm going to pour about a cup in. But don't worry about scratching the bottom, even if you use a spatula or use a cooking tool. Don't worry about scratching the bottom. You can actually scrape the bottom at the same time.
Simmer the tomatoes for at least 20 minutes for a partial strip down, and up to 1 hour for a more complete strip down. So once you're finished with the tomatoes, put it in the recycle if you can. Then, as usual, rinse out your pan or wok. For daily maintenance, every time you use your pan or wok, use a bamboo brush or other brush to scrub out the surface in cold water. You don't need to add any detergent or soap. After every use, be sure to rub a tablespoon or 2 of cooking oil over the surface to prevent rust. Your carbon steel pan or wok will be in tip-top condition if you follow these procedures. And for extreme situations, use the salt cleaning method and also the tomato cleaning method. So there you have it, ready for your next cooking adventure. Enjoy.
Order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe.